Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Make sure you are signed in with an admin account and a physical keyboard attached. Once ready, press Win+I to open settings directly. This gets you into system controls fast. If you prefer, type on-screen keyboard in the search box and select the result. You do this because entering settings first avoids chasing menus later. Make sure to keep the settings window open. Next, we toggle the feature off in the accessibility controls. Once inside accessibility, scroll to keyboard and toggle off the on-screen keyboard. This is the clean supported method. If the keyboard persists, press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager and end OSC. EXE or Tab Tip. EXE, this force stops the overlay immediately. For recurring startup, open services. MSC, find touch keyboard and handwriting panel service and set startup type to disabled. You do this to stop both the running instance and any automatic relaunch at login, ensuring the overlay stays gone. Now finish by restarting Windows Explorer or simply rebooting. Once done, confirm the on-screen keyboard no longer appears. If you need it again, return to settings and toggle it back on. This reversible step avoids deeper changes. If it still pops up, run the Ease of Access Troubleshooter or check for accessibility hotkeys that may be triggering it. One key troubleshooting tip: search for and kill any OSC. EXE or Tab Tip. EXE processes, then check server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.